So the technique to do it well, you put it in, and I look down on it, make sure that is going to go straight down. The way I said in my other videos about putting claws on, you get your circle and you're always cutting or drilling down to the center of the ring, not to the side. So just with that in mind, straight down, and then that gives you the guide for left and right. You're just going down to the middle, down through the middle of the ring. Okay, so that's lined up well now. Again, looking, it's going to go to the center, looking above it, going straight down. It's in the center of the ring. And you can take your time. You've got to do this with every single hole. And my hole, it should go through and then open up directly in the center of the ring. And there is a chance, like if you keep checking the inside, there is a chance you can see it's about to break through and you get a little bump before the metal actually breaks through. Sometimes that little bump is slightly left or right, so you can just, boop, just tilt it a little bit back to the middle. But I'll be showing you further down how to neaten up the inside as well. It's very unlikely you're going to get it machinely perfect, drill holes all evenly spaced, all right down the center. But always try to be as accurate as possible with everything you do. Don't work thinking, oh, I'll tidy that up at the next stage. You want to be good. You want to be good at every stage, not just have a finished piece that you worked loads on to make it look like you did it well. So that broke through, there's hardly any drilling. Look at that, right in the middle. Can you see that? Maybe if I push my drill through, there you go, it goes to the center of the ring. That's straight up to the center of the ring. That shows you that's a good neat hole.